Tried to find her at the altar. I tried to find her back in school. I tried to find her in a bar room, just sitting on a stool. Well, maybe she's a vision, or maybe she's just a dream. Or could there really be a woman waiting just for me? What's a man gotta